Hey, how's it going, everybody, over at Authentic Smiles? I just wanted to come. I was actually just looking at your guys' website, doing a little bit of research. I saw you guys checked out the dental marketing playbook, and I just wanted to do a little market analysis for you guys, let you guys know where you stand, and hopefully bring a little value to you so you can, figure out where you want to go from here. So I really do like you guys' homepage. I think you guys have a great website, very informative. Not quite sure how long you've had this up, but it's looking good. I'm going to go over you guys and a couple of your main competitors, Lifetime Dental and the Cosmetic Dentists of Austin, who are really the two main players in your market. If we look up here and we just type in Austin, Texas Dentist, Austin Dental comes up, which is really Lifetime Dental. And these guys are doing absolute work in the SEO field. Lifetime Dental is bringing in over 9,000 clicks a month, which is, you don't even want to know, ridiculous amount of money. 9,000 clicks a month, like even if they're only converting 10% of those people into patients, that's freaking 900 people monthly coming into their practice. It's like 30 a day. So yeah, these guys are doing incredible work in the SEO field. These guys aren't even doing pay per click, which is crazy. They're just only doing SEO, and they just really cornered it down. They just became that top spot in the map pack. They must be doing something to get their customers to give them a lot of reviews, and that's why they're so far up there. They have 4.9 with 331. Their website is optimized good. Your website honestly looks better than these guys, but these guys do have more backlinks pointing at them, and they have more reviews than you guys, so that's why they're ranking above you. And I went and looked at you guys. Unfortunately, you guys are only getting 13 SEO clicks a month, but you guys, I have seen, started doing pay-per-click advertising just recently here, and you're starting to get some clicks from that, which is hopefully landing you guys some new patients and showing you the power of what internet marketing can do. And what the possibilities are. And if we go look at your other competitor that's really huge, is the Cosmetic Dentists of Austin. And these guys are doing both pay-per-click and SEO. Spending about $5,000 in AdWords a month, which is leading them to 1,000 clicks. And then they're bringing in another like over 3,000 just from their SEO. So these guys are bringing in 4,000 clicks too, which is, definitely a lot of customers walking into their practice off of this work that they put in. But if we go look at their website, guess what? Their website doesn't look better than your guys's either. You guys have the best website of all three of these companies. Your problem is you don't have a lot of backlinks pointing at you, not as many as these guys at least. You need to get your reviews up. You only have 10 Google reviews right now. So that's why these guys are getting, you guys are getting like a little over 400 clicks a month, mostly coming from pay-per-click. And these guys are getting 9,000 clicks a month, and these guys are getting, around 5,000 clicks a month. And that's not putting you guys down. I think you guys honestly have the best website out of all of the three, but you guys just aren't doing the work on the SEO end to really help yourself rank in that map pack and rank in the organic rankings. If we go look at what is bringing you guys all your people, Authentic Smiles Dentistry, Authentic Smiles. These are pretty much all general terms for your business. That's where all your clicks are coming from, is off of your company's name, which isn't a bad thing. Hopefully you'd be getting clicks for that. When people are searching you up, it's probably because you guys do great work. I read your reviews. You guys do good work, but you guys aren't attracting people that aren't looking up you specifically. And that's the point of internet marketing, is to help people that are looking for what their solution to their problem is going to be, whether it be TMJ, cosmetic, or just a normal dentist, whatever you guys find most important. I could tell from your website, TMJ and cosmetic dentistry is really where you guys are trying to focus more of your efforts. So, it makes sense to really help yourself rank on those things on SEO. That way you can start getting more clicks. When it comes to dentists in Austin, freaking Lifetime Dental is taking up 50% of the or 42% of the clicks. That's ridiculous. That's like, hogging the market share. They're not just ranking for Lifetime Dental, Austin, Texas Dental. dentist, North Austin. They're ranking for all of these different things, which is bringing them a lot of new people who didn't know about them coming into their practice, and then therefore reviewing them, adding their reviews, and adding to the dominance of their SEO game. So if I were you guys, I would really think about a way to start getting more of your customers, maybe give them some sort of incentive or some type of discount or return fee for when they give you a good rating, because those ratings really do help Google solidify who the best people in the market are. And that's not saying they're the best dentist, that's saying what Google is analyzing from all that information. Okay, if we go look at these guys real quick, the cosmetic dentist, Austin Cosmetic Dentist, they're taking about 45% for just that keyword. You know what I mean? So this is what you guys want to do. If you guys could get in here and get a couple keywords up above 30%, you're going to be seeing a ridiculous amount of clicks. Look, these guys are taking 45%. It's 880 clicks a month that they're getting just off of this keyword. And if you guys can do that with TMJ, higher paid procedures, imagine what that's going to look like for you guys. If we look down here, you guys aren't that far down when you look up TMJ Austin, Texas for in the map pack. I didn't really look where you guys stand in the organics. Not on the first page, but you know what I mean? There's a lot of people searching for you guys. Right now there's 10,000 people, over 10,000 people monthly looking for dentists in Austin. TMJ has 1 to 10,000 people looking for it. The competition for the keywords are low. So hopefully whoever's doing your AdWords knows what they're doing, because that could be really, really, really profitable just based off of some of the examples that we've seen in our business and our marketing campaigns for the dentists we work with. TMJ is, one of those things. We really focus on TMJ, Invisalign, cosmetic dentistry, dentures, dental implants, that sort of thing, the high value keywords, because if you get those and you're paying whatever, $100 a lead, but the procedure is much more than that, you're going to get a huge return on your investment. Plus, you're creating the potential for a possible lifetime customer. So, like I said, to kind of review this real quick, you guys are doing good. Your website looks amazing. You guys have a lot of valuable information. I would really focus on getting some more backlinks going in here. I would focus on really getting the TMJ and cosmetic dentistry. I would really try and take over that type of space. You know what I mean? If those are the areas that you really want to focus on being the authority, because you see, just becoming the top keyword for something can get you a ridiculous amount of clicks. You know what I mean? So imagine if you were the top person for TMJ dentist. Imagine if you're the top person for cosmetic dentistry. So I hope some of this information helped. I really would like to see you guys succeed in your marketplace. And if there's any questions I can answer or anything else I can do for you, just reach out. I'm only an email or a phone call away, but I appreciate you taking the time to watch this, and yeah, good luck with your marketing efforts.